very good morning. Today I have completed the bunker optimization project and also the sludge projects. So only the book is remaining, and I have the coffee with me. So I wake up really morning today, and the good thing is that the projects are being completed. So as I have told, I will retire early, and there is no other projects that will be um, done. Yes, for, I don't know, maybe for the moment, maybe for a long time, because yes, this project already brings a huge value. So I do not see also the reason why to create more value if this value are not be able, let's say, to be used. Okay, this is a high value product, and I have created also the crude washing training, so masterclass and book itself as well. So in order, yes, to combine the knowledge and bring that knowledge much faster, much quicker, and have a much more impact. So the bunker optimization project, it will redefine how the bunkers are made or how it is done. And another thing also, you can go to my web page where you can see all the services that will be provided there, and it will stay along, yes, together with YouTube. And yes, these projects together with the slash will redefine the bunker operations, I can say, overall. So the one that who will implement these things will be position themselves much, let's say, much higher than everyone else in the industry. Looking from the all the points, much safer operations, much faster. So the time spent it will be less. And as you know, through your experience as well, the vessel has a lot of operations to do. So basically, by minimizing the things and simultaneously running, um, let's say, operations, you're able also to make a vessel which is safer and is much more concentrated on the main activities that it has. So it can be, let's say, cargo operations, it can be anything else. So you create less stress to your crew, you create a better environment to work with all these implementations. But these implementations shows the excellence also operationally, also commercially, and it is really an innovative approach because it combines all the knowledge that I have been accumulated through all the different vessel types that I have worked. So I have worked in passenger vessels, cargo vessels, tanker, and container ships. So it's four different types. And even though I have not stopped to read about the different types of vessels, even though. So yes, this is the announcement that the project has been completed. What I will do now, I will record the videos for the implementation and what you need to do in order to achieve this implementation. And also very important thing is that to say that I have looking many designs which has not been developed for 30-40 years, and I really got goosebumps because I understood that nobody really addressed that problems and issues in the industry. So basically the industry, when I think it was working for 30-40 years with the same way, And it shows also how things does not get addressed properly. It is also lack of experience from people that are working in the industry. It is also lack of interest as well. So in order to create additional value, it requires a lot of effort. So this is, yes, the difference that separates from all the other, let's say, people, because yes, the ones that are really wants to create value are the ones that are creating the value, not by speaking, but actually doing it. And yes, today it's a big day. The only thing that will remain is the book, the second book, where I will explain how to build the best teams. So the industry also, yes, have failed for many years to implement things. And also, as I have seen also from many owners, they complain that they cannot find a crew for the vessels. So I have taken all my experience, all the things that I have seen through the my career, what makes you to not have crew, okay, and how to make this crew, how to build that crew. It's not the money, I can tell you, but in the book, in that book, which I will hope to be complete, let's say end of July, I will write everything. I will write everything how to build that, because the reason I'm doing that, it's also to bring the people to that, let's say, job, and yes, help also the things move on, not only um, let's say from the view of um, helping the industry, but also helping the world entirely, because as we know, it's highly dependent from the Siemens, and also to help them, yes, for the new Siemens and for new generations to come on this field and change their mind in order that they think, okay, we have this vessel, how we can improve the operations. Because if we rely for 30, 40 years, we have lost many opportunities. And that opportunities should be used on another way, on the way of improve things, reduce time, reduce the effort. So let's work smarter, no harder. Harder, it was only, let's say, in the middle ages, in the middle centuries. I don't know if you would like to work in the same way, you can work, it's your choice. But working with a smart way, an easiest way, which will bring you also value and reduce your expenses and the overall emissions, it is, uh, from my view of point, it's much better and much more exciting way to work, because it shows that the experience and the navigation can be created from anyone who have a passion and vision for what they are doing. I believe there is more people there outside which will, um, let's say, focus on this. They like to reduce the overall emissions of the cars or factories. So there is work in progress. It's not that much, but if we keep, let's say, that forward thinking approach, things will change, and we will make a planet a better place for our children. Thank you very much, and stay tuned. I will make the announcement when the videos will be uploaded for the bunker optimization and for the sludge optimization project together in one video. So it does not depends how much is the video and how is the content. It is the dense of knowledge and material that it provides through the through the material. So basically, I say that you can explain for many pages and get the same understanding describing in 4 or 5 pages, let's say. So that does not matter the quantity, it is matter the quality. That is it. I cannot reveal more details. I cannot reveal. So I can only reveal this one because all the rest is design. It is showcasing us the way how to implement and apply these things. It's very easy, cost effective, technology utilization, transparent operation. So it is a win-win situation in all the fields that are really related with the shipping. So that is it. Stay tuned for more announcements, and I wish you a great day. Bye bye.